Shit, YouTube. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Yo, I can't even see the steps. Damn, do you think I can make it out with this? We're gonna find out if this shit really comes out in the snow. Let's see what this X-Drive all about. You can see we got hella snow on the sunroof. But we're about to see if this thing turns on. It should be turned on. So far so good. I'm assuming we have like about like 8 inches of snow down so far. That's a good thing about having an all-wheel drive car, because the Z would have never made it out. I'm not gonna lie to you. Damn, I haven't seen this much snow since probably 2016. And woo, we made it. We're gonna full send this thing. We're gonna see what this thing can do. But there shouldn't be that much traffic, given that there's probably nobody on the road except me and maybe a few other people that are crazy like me, or people who are trying to, you know, get rid of their car notes. If you know, you know. But we are on our way. We're gonna pick them up, and yeah, it's looking good though. This thing is like having no issues. Yeah, we're outside, guys. This thing is moving. This thing isn't struggling at all. It's just going through the snow. Right here, given that they already plowed this area of the street, so. I just saw a fat ass fucking snow pile. Damn, I've never seen this much snow. But anyway, I'm gonna pick it up. Once I pick up my brother-in-law, we're gonna head over to this spot. Hopefully we should be all right. God first, I think we should be good. full scented this car all day, bro. We've literally driven through so much snow and it hasn't gotten stuck. And mind you, I have some all-season tires. They're Michelin all-season sport tires. They probably have half tread left, so they're halfway used. And for the most part, bro, I didn't really get stuck at all. So I can only imagine if I had winter tires or brand new all-season tires, this thing would have made it through anything. We got probably stuck in certain spots where it was plowed in and they left a mountain of snow. Maybe like a good 20 seconds, and it just got through after that. But for the most part, this car is not bad. This thing is a tank. Made it through all types of weather. Man, I love this car. I think the only thing that would be better than this would be a RSQ8 with that all-wheel drive quattro system and that twin turbo V8. Damn, that thing will be a monster. But other than that, this is plenty. Inline 6, twin turbo, X drive. Definitely could survive the snow in the winter time. But the one thing that it wouldn't have lasted was the Z. The Z would have got stuck trying to come out the garage. There's too much snow for the Z, but for this, it's no issue. You can see right now, it's kind of spinning, but we still made it out. For the most part, it's just doing good. We've got some donuts in. I did a launch in this thing. Bro, this is a blast. I love having an all-wheel drive car because I get to drive and enjoy the weather. Some people probably just stay home. I kind of like this type of weather because you can do so many things and you can get away with certain type of maneuvers in this type of weather. Sometimes you gotta have the wheel though. You can't be doing no stupid shit like that. I don't trust when people are turning, especially going to the street that I'm on, because I don't know how good of a driver they are, and I ain't trying to risk it. But come on, let's go. Come on, let's get it out. Come on. Yes, sir. We're not getting stuck. We making it out no matter where we at. I just be taking slow turns though, because I ain't trying to end up on a post. Now you can see this cop right here. He just posted up. I don't know why. I had so much fun today. And originally I was supposed to work, but they canceled our route because of the snowstorm, so I didn't have to go work. And they're gonna let us know if we work tomorrow. There we go. Now we got it. It's time to go home because it's getting late. You guys can see it's getting dark out, so we might as well just head on home. I just gotta turn on this traction control back on before I get stuck out here.